tetra. X-ray fish glow so bright. Y is for yawning yak. Yak stands strong and tall. Z is for zippy zebra. Zebra dashes so fast.